Hey everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media art video. Today we're going to be working with this new product that I got from Winsor & Newton for watercolors called Aquapasto. Now this is supposed to, it says it thickens and reduces flow, and it gives it a little bit of gloss. So we're going to be playing with that. Got some Payne's Gray here. I also have some tools to spread out the Aquapasto paint, watercolor brush, this stylus, which I forgot I had, to use for some scratchy marks, and also my X-Acto knife. So let's get started. I'm going to be working also with this Paul Rubens set of watercolors. Very pretty pink package. But primarily we're going to work with the Payne's Gray. So let's get some water. The first thing I'm going to do is I just want to lay down some marks with a pencil. Okay, we're going to start off with a little bit of Payne's Gray. I'm just going to put some paint down. This is a watercolor sketchbook that I've been using for a while. I don't remember where I got it, so I think I got it off Amazon. I just want to make some lines. And this is just going to be a pretty abstract landscape. This paper sucks up water like you would not believe. I think I'm going to add some green. So for this set, I really like whatever green this is. These came with Chinese. The colors were written in Chinese, so I have no idea what they are. It looks like a little bit of a sap green. And I'm going to add in this sort of umbery color just to give it a little difference there. And then I just want to add just a little bit of this over top. And I'm starting off pretty thin. You're going to see why when we get to the Aquapasta. Pasto. I keep saying Aquapasta like it's antipasta. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Okay. I think I want to add in something up here. So this is a little bit of Payne's Gray with a little bit of this sort of blue-green color, just to give the paints a little bit different tone. And I just want to put maybe, I'm going to come in with a really thin line of this, just through here. Maybe, I still want it to be landscapey. Boy, this paint dries fast on here. I was looking for my Schmincke colors, and unfortunately I couldn't find them, but I will find them before the next piece that we do. I have a feeling I'm going to be playing with this for a while, because as you're going to see, it's kind of fabulous. Okay, let's put a little bit darker line through here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit more of this burnt orange color. It's almost like a raw sienna. I need a little bit of brightness through there. And I'm going to add just a little bit of these two oranges here. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, that's way too much. That's very saturated. Okay. Let me transfer this into the palette. Okay, so I've added into this palette and I got a little bit of the Payne's Gray there, but it kind of actually made it better. So this is the Pasto. God, I can't say that word. Let me get a palette knife here. And it doesn't take a lot. Like, I'm only going to use like that much. And I guess I'll just, it mixes pretty easily. I don't want it getting all on the brush, so I'm gonna kind of do it like this for a while. So what this does is it thickens up your paint. It takes down the drying time. I think we need a little bit more. And it also gives you a kind of a glossy finish to it. I mean, you can add water. The cool thing is that it really, because it's watercolor, it still stays translucent, so you can go over things really, really easily. Before we do that though, I'm gonna add a little bit more green in here, and I wanna add some lines in. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more of this Payne's Gray, just through here. A little bit of brown on the brush. And then I also wanna add in a bit more of that green, maybe a richer color. Just through here. So I feel like it was needing a bit pops of color through there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my X-Acto knife. I'm just gonna kind of run it through here. Lightly, we don't wanna damage the paper. We need a little bit more Payne's Gray up here, actually, if I'm gonna do that. So the paper has to be wet for this to work, for this scratchy technique to work. You can see that we're getting some pretty cool lines through here, and I don't want to do a lot, but just kind of what we've been doing with the carbon paper, only like kind of at the beginning. I probably should have done this in the last time I tried this. Again, you don't want to do it too much because you don't want to scratch the paper. Okay, so let's take some of this Aquapasta brown, and I think I just want to put, I've got an acrylic brush here because I wanted to kind of make these draggy lines. Oh, that's really cool. And you can see how that's so much thicker than like normal paint. Like it's really kind of cool. So let's put some down here. And then I'm gonna go back to, I might need some more of that paint. Oh, I've made a new color because I didn't clean my brush. Let me add some more orange to that. Okay, so I'm gonna add some more of that. I wanna give a shout out to Anna Edgley, and I'll leave a link above to her channel. She's one where I saw this technique being used, and she has a ton of cool videos about using this Aquapasto. Okay, let's get a palette knife out and just sort of spread this around. You can see that you get these really cool marks. You guys know how I love marks. With this Aquapasto, you can also go in with a rubber spatula and make marks as well, just to sort of move it around. And this is gonna stay. And the cool thing is it doesn't affect the layers underneath of it at all. Like, it's really kind of nifty. Okay, so I'm adding in a bit more of this pasto. And I added some. I want to see how thick we can make it. Like, how thick is too thick? That's pretty thick for watercolor. And this is a Payne's Gray mixed with cerulean and sort of an aquamarine. You can see how thick that is. Okay, I'm gonna put this right through here. I think I'm gonna try my rubber spatula here, see what we get. Ooh, this is even more fun. I need my flat one though. This one is kind of, the point at the end is kind of throwing me off. Might want another line, like just through here. Okay. So I think I want to bring this down. Oh, you can really see how dark it is right there. Oh, I kind of like that, actually. let's just do that. I was going to bring it all the way down, but now I think I'm just going to, I like how dark that is. It does affect the drying time, just so you know. Your paint is going to dry a little slower, but that's why we have hair dryers, right? That's kind of nice, like the nice contrast there. What if I added some green to that? Okay, I've added in a little bit of that sap green into that, and then we're just going to add some more because I like how that worked. What if we like put this on? Now, obviously, when you add more paint or more water, you're going to water it down just a little bit. It's going to be a little thinner. You could add more of the Aquapasto, or you could just leave it. This is getting way too bright for me. I'm just going to make some marks through here. Oh, paper. Ugh. Yeah, I really don't like this paper, y'all. I don't know why. It works great for acrylic paint. Oh, there we go. That's a little better. I feel like I want to make like a wash through here. That's a little too minty green, isn't it? I don't like that. Let's just add some of this. That's a good color right there. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and see where we're at. I'm going to add some just regular, some more of this color here. I think it needs something coming through here. Maybe. Y'all, I'm not the best watercolorist, so I'm probably doing bad things I shouldn't be doing. What if we... I think I want all of that in there. Just take some of it out. Just put some, I want it to be darker. Let's make a bold move here and just... Watercolors are hard for me because they just kind of do their own thing. Like, I feel like I have no control over what it does. But that's not a bad thing, right? I mean, it's good to step outside of your comfort zone every now and then. Oh, I don't like that. Get out there. I'm not sure what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of feeling my way through it. Yeah, I'm liking that. Maybe don't like that. It's very bright. Oh, I kind of like what's going on down here, though. The way those are overlapping. Let's let this dry. I'm going to add a little bit more of that blue. Okay, so let's add in more of that blue. I'm just going to kind of layer it up here. Okay, maybe just, well, I'm just going to take it directly out of the pan and see what happens. That's what I'm looking for, is that color right there. It needed just a little bit more contrast. Maybe some light, almost dry brush going across. Do I want to bring it down? I think I want to bring it down. I think that's good because it kind of echoes like a little bit of the pasto that we had down there. Okay, I think my fussy time is over. So I'm going to add a little bit more color here to my Caran d'Ache. Do I want orange or do I want yellow? I think I want orange. I've been feeling orange lately. Okay, and so this is just Caran d'Ache on deli paper. I have one of these little guys. I have a few of them actually that I found, these little styluses. Let's see how that's going to work. So I kind of just want to put some lines through here. Just to kind of open it up a little bit. I think this is going to work a lot better than even the palette knife. Oh yeah, look at that. That's really cool. Let's keep going. Yeah, that's working much better. Do I want to keep, I think I want to do like just a few through here. And I think I want to do some little ones through here. Ooh, look at that. That's fun. Oh God, now I have to make more ones. Okay. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see the other side. See if we get fatter marks. We use the fatter side. Ooh, fun. I like it. I like it. I think am I done? Do we want to add some, let's add some of these marks too. And maybe just a few going like this. I just want a few through here. Okay, these styluses are fabulous. These are the best tools so far for this carbon paper technique. All right, let's take a look at it with the mat. So this is what we got with the mat. I like the Aquapasto marks. I think those are really fun. Like, look at that cool texture we got down there. Really fun and different. Like, it doesn't feel like watercolor to me. That's kind of always been my thing about watercolor. It's just too light, and you're able to achieve these thick, bold marks. It's really kind of interesting. Yeah, I like the overall feel of it. I think it flows really nicely. Obviously, I need to work on my watercolor skills. I love the scratchy marks with the stylus. That was a great idea. Yeah, overall, very happy with this. I'll be back on Saturday this weekend with another video. Hopefully, I will find my other watercolors and we'll do something more deserty and more like what I normally create. These colors are a little bright, but I kind of like to shake things up every now and then. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video, and I'll see you in a couple days with another video. Thanks so much. Bye.